In this video, I'm giving you a quick and honest comparison between Odoo and Shopify to help you decide which platform is best for your business in 2025. Let's dive right in. What's the difference between Odoo and Shopify? Odoo is an all-in-one business management suite. It's not just an e-commerce platform. It also offers modules for accounting, project management, inventory, HR, and more. It's ideal for businesses that want to manage multiple aspects of their operations in one place. Shopify, on the other hand, is specifically focused on e-commerce. It's a powerful, user-friendly platform that helps you set up and run an online store with ease. Shopify is perfect for businesses that want to focus solely on selling products online and don't need extensive back-end operations. What I like about Odoo: all-in-one solution. Odoo is more than just an e-commerce platform. It lets you manage everything from inventory to finance all in one system. Customizable, with thousands of apps and modules, you can tailor Odoo to your exact needs. Open source. The community version is free, and you can host it on your own server for even more flexibility. What I like about Shopify: ease of use. Shopify is incredibly easy to set up, even for beginners. No technical expertise required. Scalability. It's great for small businesses and can scale as you grow. You can easily integrate it with various apps to expand functionality. Great customer support. Shopify offers 24/7 customer support, so you'll never feel lost. Now the downsides. Odoo. While customizable, Odoo can be overwhelming for those who only need an e-commerce platform. The pricing can also get high, especially for the enterprise version. Shopify. Shopify doesn't offer the same level of business management features as Odoo. You'll need third-party apps to handle things like accounting or CRM. Plus, there are transaction fees unless you use Shopify payments. Which one is better? If you're looking for an all-in-one business management solution and are willing to invest some time into setting it up, Odoo could be the way to go. But if you're focused on e-commerce and need something quick, easy, and scalable, Shopify is likely your best bet. If this comparison helped, give a super thanks by hitting that heart icon, and don't forget to subscribe for more real reviews. See you in the next one.